One of the reasons why the M4 has taken so long to reach parts of South Wales is that more time has been given by planners and government to hear objections than for probably any other stretch of motorway. Perhaps the most famous campaign is for the village of Groes outside Port Talbot. The M4 now steams through its site. But before 1975, it was a quiet village surrounding a famous round stone church. The villagers lost their plea to remain, but one villager said enough was enough and demanded more compensation.
Thank God I'm not old and retired. In other words, I'm pretty fortunate that I got a little bit of fight left in me. It's pity that these older people have had to go, because they've gone out of here like sheep. They have. They've been browbeaten into submission.
You don't think they've been offered adequate compensation?
Most definitely not.
Or been treated fairly?
They haven't been treated fairly at all.
He decided to protest in the most striking way possible. He took his armchair, TV set and easy reading and set camp alongside the old A48 until somebody would listen to him. He thought his protest a symbol.
If I lose, it will have given someone else along the A48 a little bit of hope, or a little bit of insight that there is a bit of light at the end of the tunnel.
The builders eventually moved in, took down the Groes church, brick by brick. The houses were demolished and the villagers of Groes scattered to other parts of Port Talbot. The church remains, the same bricks, the same congregation. A symbol of what once was before the motorway.